Human civilization spends trillions of dollars trying to solve complex engineering challenges. We build massive supercomputers to design stronger structures, faster vehicles, and smarter systems. But the truth is, the most advanced engineering lab on Earth has been running for 3 billion years. It is called nature. This is biomimicry, where modern engineering copies evolutionary genius. Take flight dynamics, for example. Our best mechanical quadcopters face a massive bottleneck, turbulence. High winds cause rotor stall and crashes. Yet, the common Dragonfly can fly through a storm completely unfazed. By manipulating 4 independent wings instead of fixed rotors, the insect generates custom air vortexes. It can fly upside down, stop instantly, and accelerate in any direction. Aerospace engineers are now using these exact kinematic joints to build micro-air vehicles that fly where human drones cannot. But nature doesn't just master movement. It excels at materials management. Consider our infrastructure. Concrete is the bedrock of modern cities, but it inevitably cracks, degrades, and fails due to weather exposure, costing billions in maintenance. To fix this, civil engineers looked at how living bone tissue heals by embedding specialized dormant bacteria directly into the concrete mix. We have created an evolutionary material. When a crack forms and water seeps inside, the bacteria wake up, ingest nutrients, and chemically secrete real limestone to close the gap from within. Finally, look at thermal control. Heavy machinery in modern buildings rely on energy-hungry cooling systems to prevent overheating. Meanwhile, the Saharan silver ant survives out in the open in 140-degree desert heat. It does this without consuming any energy. Its entire body is covered in specialized, microscopic triangular hairs. These hairs act like an optical prism, reflecting incoming solar radiation while radiating internal body heat back into outer space. Material scientists are now synthesizing this exact prismatic hair geometry to develop passive radiative cooling paints for structures. Worldwide, evolution has already spent billions of years field testing the blueprints for our next technological revolution. As engineers, our job isn't to reinvent the wheel, but to open our eyes and read nature's instruction manual. If you love discovering how physics and nature build the future, hit that subscribe button right now for more deep breakdowns.